Today, we are talking about how to optimize Amazon sponsored products automatic campaign. Okay, let's go. We have already learned how to set it up and launch it in this video. Make sure you guys watch it if you haven't seen it already. And also remember to bookmark and save these two videos. Today is a part 2, so you can practice. Also, Prime Day is just around the corner, so you can use these tips to launch your campaigns and drive greater visibility to your products. So before we go to my Sales Central, there is a couple of points that I want to go over, things that I look for when I'm optimizing. It is kind of a checklist. You can download it at the link in the description below. So the first thing you want to look for is where the sales came from. The match type, the search term, or the keyword, or the placement. These are the things that will help you do the bid adjustment as well. So find your campaign and click on the ad group. Here you will find the targeting. So you can see the date range is set to last 30 days here. And we received orders from 2 match types, so close match and loose match. On loose match, we had an ACOS of 57%, and I turned this off to bring down the ACOS. Here, like you will see, they received 11 orders from close match and only 2 orders from loose match, so it wasn't a huge trade-off. We just focused more of the budget to the match type that was bringing in more sale. So all I need to do here, I think I will just apply the suggested bid of 54p. So here in search terms tab, you will see that I sorted it by highest to lowest spend. So we have a highest spend of about £6 here at 42% ACOS. But other than that, there is not much highest spend across the board, so there's not much to do here. Moving on. In placements, you can see that we got more orders from rest of search, but the ACOS was at 27%, and the second highest orders are from top of search. You can adjust the bid by, let's say, 5% to capitalize on the lowest ACOS and highest return of £4, and just save it. You've adjusted the bids based on highest ROAS. Second thing to look for is what's the ACOS. ACOS might be high initially or low, we don't know. The goal is to bring it down. It's a process, and ACOS is going to be different every week, so that's what we're going to look for. So here you can see the ACOS is at 28%. Now, these are the ads that are being run for these products, and I have sorted this by highest to lowest spend. So £20 was spent on this product, and then you can see if I wanted to bring the ACOS down, what I can do is I can turn off this product's ad because it spent about £4.46 and did not result in any sale over the last 30 days. So that's an example of adjustment to bring down the ACOS. You turn off targets that didn't convert. Another way to bring down ACOS is turning off a target match type that didn't convert. The third thing you want to look for is how many total orders you got for that product that you're running the ad campaign for. You can do this by checking your total orders in your orders section in your Seller Central. So here you can see my total orders for the last 30 days are 1,916. And my paid orders are 874. So there is a difference, and ACOS here is at 35%. This always happens. There is some organic orders, there's some paid orders, so you want to establish what's what, and this will affect your total ACOS and it will bring it down for that product. So when I consider my total sale for that time period and I calculate, my total ACOS will come down to 13% from an ACOS of 35% because of the difference between paid sale and total sale. The next thing on your checklist is to look for anything that you need to negative match. It might be a keyword or an ASIN that you need to do. So let's say I wanted to negative match this keyword, okay, or this ASIN. I will just copy this. Let's say the ad spend here, instead of £1, it was £10. I will go into negative targeting, negative products, click on that. click on exclude and add negative product targets, and it's done. The next thing you want to consider is budget. Do you need to increase it? Is your campaign getting out of budget a lot? So we need to think about that. Now, in your dashboard, you might see a notification like this, which might mention that this was out of budget and you missed clicks. Now, instead of just changing the amount, you can actually set a rule. So I've given this rule a name of peak season. You can set it by performance. And let's say for next 30 days, so from 10th of June till 10th of July, daily, what I want to do is select the ROAS. If ROAS is greater than or equal to 3, I want the budget to increase by 21%. So what it means is instead of £15 daily budget, it will go up to £18.15 for this rule, if this condition is met. The next thing is hours of the day feature. Now, this is a new thing that Amazon has just introduced recently, and it is a game changer. Basically, what this means is you can adjust bids based on your peak hours. Let's say my peak hour is from 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. Okay. You will find your campaign, go into campaign settings, and you will land here. And this is hour of the day feature. So you will click on add schedule rule. Okay, here. So select a date range. Again, we can just say, let's call it for the next 10 days and daily, and choose a start and end time. So I've selected from 6 p.m. till 10 p.m. because this is my peak hour. I want to adjust my bids by 10%, and let's give it the name peak hour and click on add rule. I think this is a really great feature, and you can use it for free in your Seller Central. So this is the checklist, a couple of considerations that you need to think about when you're doing optimization, and you need to make a couple of quick decisions. You are a business owner and your credit card gets charged for these ads. So you have to learn to master this, and you will see it is pretty easy to make these decisions once you get the hang of it and you practice. So guys, this is how it's done. Make sure you guys like this video, save it so you can revisit this and share it with anybody who needs the confidence to run their own Amazon ads. As I said, it is easy and you can master it with practice. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time.